Prosedur berhenti kena berhubung dengan di mana dekan fakulti kamu.
Nani rasa macam Nani berperang dengan perasaan Nani lah, di mana macam kadang-kadang Nani terfikir macam patutkah aku berhenti, tapi Nani jenis yang tak banyak pikir bah. Macam Nani jenis yang bila datang baru fikirlah balik, baru macam tak apalah, tengoklah macam mana nanti. Sebab bila kita mau berhenti pun kita kena urus bagus-bagus. Seandainya macam ini jalan yang terbaik, maka Nani akan pilih itulah, begitu. Maksudnya kan macam Nani tak pernah lah cakap apapun jalan yang aku pilih tu ini salah, ini betul. Nani tak cakap begitu. Macam as long as aku berusaha, dia pasti ada hasil lah, begitu. Cuma yang bikin Nani sedih ni kan macam Nani kena tinggalkan Nani punya masa-masa di YouTube. Lepas tu Nani kena tinggalkan kawan di situ. Macam berat rasanya, macam bila tak ada orang faham yang Nani tak pernah cakap. Nani tak pernah cakap sama siapa-siapa. Cuma macam rasa tak maulah orang tanya begitu bah. Sebab Nani macam tak boleh cerita benda ni. Sebab Nani rasa mesti ramai orang akan cakap, kenapa kau mau berhenti? Kenapa kau sampai pernah ada orang buruk-burukkan mama Nani? Dia cakap, mamamu tu tak pandai lah faham yang kau tu mau pergi sekolah begini. Main apa lah aku cakap sama siapa-siapa. Sebab aku tak suka bah macam kadang kan kita bukan mau opinion orang. Sebab kita tahu apa yang kita mau buat, tapi kita cuma perlu orang tu untuk dengar. Tapi orang bagi kita opinion yang buruk tu kan, itulah kali sebabnya Nani suka sendirian. Sebab Nani rasa bila Nani dengan orang kan, Nani mau cerita tapi Nani tak bisa cerita bah. Sebab orang tak faham atau lalui apa yang Nani lalui begitu. Bila sampai sudah waktunya di mana Nani harus memilih, baru Nani akan decide. Dan masa tu bila Nani decide, Nani akan pastikan Nani decide dengan happy, dengan terima, dengan ikhlas, begitu.
Annyeong, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and have a nice day everyone. I hope you guys are in a good condition and healthy, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are watching my previous video on my YouTube, you guys might be know that I'm not the type that making this kind of video which is sitting at here and talking in front of the camera, like not a really fun and enjoyable. But still, I hope that you guys gain something. It was actually a very long consideration either I have to upload it or not, because it was very awkward. So without further ado, let's get into the story. By the way, today's video is gonna be in English because I think making this kind of video in English look really cool. Even my English was not really good actually, but I'm trying so that you guys watching this video and you guys can see like cool. Okay. So a couple months ago, I was back from UMS for the semester break, and like at the early of September, I was going through something. And if you guys are so close, like a very close friend for me, you guys might know that I'm not very active on social media like for almost 2 weeks because I've going through something indescribable. I'm grateful actually because there are some of my friends that notice I've been disappear for like almost 2 weeks, and alhamdulillah there are some of them that asking me about my condition. Alhamdulillah, long story short, I was disappearing because I have going through something indescribable, which is I got a family matter. But I'm not making this video to tell you guys in details about what's going on or what's I've been through with my family, because I know that is a personal matter that everyone have been through in their life. And the point I want to tell you guys that I'm quit for furthering my studies, and I know that it's not a big deal actually for anybody, but it did something big for me, like the biggest decision I've ever made in my entire life. Actually, I want to tell you guys that why is it really matter for me. I am not the kind of person that really budak-budak cemerlang, you know, in education, but I was just like any other kid, like studying because of study, because of, you know, macam kena belajar sebab belajar macam tu. Okay, so I think I'm gonna mix it up because my English was really bad, okay, in making this kind of video. Because kalau bercakap English ni dia macam datang-datang sendiri bahkan, tapi kalau biarlah kita bercakap sambil bercakap Melayu lah kan, jadi sampai mbak message tu. Okay lah. So it was like a really big matter for me because along the journey of the studies, I just found my passion of studying because I have a purpose. Like I really love this and this is really my ambition, and I just found that. So I have that passion to study, you know, like macam bermakna bah kau pergi belajar sebab sesuatu yang kau minat, macam tu. Because in my previous education life, you know, sekolah menengah, sekolah rendah, mostly memang study siap lah macam gitu, macam just belajar siap lah gitu kan. But you know macam when I get into the university, I'm really passionate and I'm really like know that oh I'm gonna love this and I'm gonna do the best in this course, and you know macam betul-betul belajar lah macam tu. So I just found that feeling, so that's why it was really mean a lot for me. And when I have to decide either I have to stop it or not, because I've been studying it for 1 year already, so yeah, my final decision is I quit. Like I'm not extend, I totally stop it. So okay, that's it. Actually, I want to tell you guys because like I've said before, I'm not like making this video to tell you guys in detail what's going on my family or what is really I feel about making this decision. But actually the reason why I'm making this video is I want to tell you guys, whatever decision you make in your own life, no matter you have to sacrifice something that you love or sacrifice something that you've been passionate about, macam gini, macam no matter what decision you made in your own life, dia ndak ada maksudnya betul atau salah, as long as you know your purpose, you know your intention. For me, the most important thing is you have to get your parents' acceptance, like reda, begitulah kalau kita cakap kan. Macam whatever you do in your own life, okay, either you have to studies or stop studies, or you have to work or you don't have to work, as long as you know your purpose, as long as you know what you're going to do to be a person that useful for any other person, macam jadi orang bermanfaat lah, as long as you know yang kau akan jadi orang yang bermanfaat untuk orang lain ataupun bermanfaat untuk keluargamu. Doesn't matter you have to stop or not, because I don't want to make this video like really sad or really macam depressed begitu kan, sebab I already moving on, because like I've said before, I already take my own space, I already gain my energy back, you know, macam I already moving on. Nangis tu nangis juga lah, sakit tu sakit juga, tapi along the way alhamdulillah I'm fine. And for you guys information that my decision is under a very long consideration. Actually I've been macam sudah berpikir panjang, sudah pikir pro dan kontranya, sudah pikir pokoknya semuanya lah sudah diconsider, and alhamdulillah the final decision is I quit. I hope that kedepannya akan jadi lebih lancar begitu kan dalam kehidupan. Okay, so I think that's all I want to say actually. And for my friends who continue and furthering their studies, good luck. Actually the reason why I am uploading this video 10/10 to 2021 sebab the next day, I heard some of my friends were starting their third semester already. So I think this might be a good time for me to telling you guys that I'm quitting to further my studies, because I have received some of question like, kau balik ke UMS? Macam mostly memang some of my friends yang tanya bila kau beli tiket begitu. So macam I have no answer because I'm not ready to tell anybody. And actually when I already made up my mind, I didn't tell anybody, including my sister, including my father, and the only person that know about my decision is my mother. Lepas tu barulah macam ada certain orang yang tahu, but you know macam 2 to 3% sajalah begitu yang tahu. Alhamdulillah, I'm so grateful to have a positive energy surrounding me. The reason why I don't tell anybody because I know everyone have their own opinion. You know, when you are making the decision, you didn't even know what is the best for you. You just doing the best to make it the best. Jadi macam for me, I hope whatever I do, I can be the person that useful for everyone, especially my mother, my father, and my family. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys gain something from this video. At least macam if you guys are going through something, maybe you guys rasa macam tak perlu takut when you guys have to make a big decision in your own life. You don't have to be scared as long as you know apa akan datang yang akan kau buat, macam tu, macam kau clear dengan masa depanmu begitu. I don't want to ulas panjang-panjang actually, because the main purpose of me making this video is just to tell the world about I'm stop studying macam gitu. So macam lepas ni my friend dah lah tanya macam kau bila balik begini-begini, because I hope that this video will answer all of their question. Why is it I didn't plan anything? Because I'm not the type of person that didn't plan anything from the beginning, you know. Apalagi melibatkan macam pulang balik campus ni, I have to do good preparing lah, gitu, preparation lah. But you know, there are always unexpected things like this. Ya, begitulah kehidupan. I hope you guys gain something, and thank you guys for coming to watch this video until the end, and it really mean a lot to me. And I hope you guys enjoy the next clip that I will show you guys, because this is how something that motivated me, you know, like macam kebangkitan lah gitu kan. Macam if you guys are going through something, okay, especially like me lah kan, if I going through something, I need to do something like gain my motivation back, you know, gain my energy back. So this is me. Before I forget, thank you very much for some of you that really ambil berat bah. So I'm really thankful for those who stay by my side to going through everything, and thank you. So
when you say that you love me, 난 하늘 위를 건너 영원히 말해줘 just one more time. When you say that you love me, 난 그 한마디면 돼. 변하지 않는다고 just one more time. 넌 내게 이 세계의 전부 같아. 더 세게 아프게 날 꽉 껴안아. We couldn't have something and you can't make it nothing. 잊지 않아줬으면 해 너네. 하루 여름 겨울 너무 나도 You got the best of me. You got the best of me.
It was started when I